Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by opening the Zoom desktop app and signing in. This method won't work in the browser. Next, pick one high-resolution image or a 16:9 video to use as your virtual background because Zoom scales better with those ratios. Once done, close other apps that might use the webcam so Zoom can access it exclusively. Make sure your camera drivers are current. Outdated drivers often block virtual backgrounds. Now move to Zoom settings to apply the background. You're in Settings. Click the gear icon, then go to Background and Filters. Choose Virtual Background and either pick a default or hit the plus sign to upload your image or video file. Zoom will preview it. If you see jitter or blur, make sure Mirror My Video is set to your preference. Only enable I have a green screen if you physically have one, otherwise Zoom uses software segmentation which can blur edges. Once satisfied, check the thumbnail and move to testing. You should start a quick test meeting to see how the background behaves with your movements. This reveals lighting and edge issues. If it looks off, change your position or add soft light. Bright, even lighting helps segmentation. Wear colors that contrast your background and clear clutter behind you. If problems persist, update Zoom and enable HD in video settings. Also try toggling I have a green screen. Finally, restarting Zoom or reinstalling the app.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.